The electric power steering warning light is a critical indicator that signals problems within your vehicle's power steering system. Understanding what triggers this warning and how to diagnose it can save you time and money. When the EPS warning light illuminates on your dashboard, it indicates a malfunction within the power steering system. This can result in reduced or complete loss of steering assistance, creating a potential safety concern. Modern EPS systems, found in over 95% of new vehicles as of 2024, consist of several key components working together. The electric motor provides steering assistance, while torque and angle sensors monitor driver input. The electronic control unit processes this information to deliver precise steering support. EPS warning lights are triggered by three main categories of problems. Sensor malfunctions account for 45% of cases, including torque sensor errors and steering angle drift. Electrical issues cause 30% of problems, often due to low voltage or wiring damage. Mechanical problems make up the remaining 25%, typically involving motor wear or rack issues. To diagnose EPS problems, follow a systematic approach. Start with a visual inspection of steering components, then test system voltage to ensure adequate power supply. Use an OBD2 scanner to retrieve specific fault codes that pinpoint the issue. Finally, test individual sensors to verify proper operation. Modern vehicles feature advanced diagnostic capabilities that make troubleshooting more precise. OBD3 integration provides more specific fault codes, while AI-driven predictive maintenance can forecast failures before warning lights activate. Wireless diagnostic tools now allow real-time monitoring through smartphone apps, making EPS system diagnosis more accessible than ever. Understanding EPS warning light triggers and proper diagnostic methods is essential for maintaining safe and reliable steering performance in modern vehicles. When your EPS warning light appears, you can attempt a standard reset protocol before seeking professional help. This simple procedure can resolve minor glitches and temporary system errors. Step 1. Turn your ignition to the on position, but do not start the engine. This powers the electrical systems while keeping the engine off. Step 2. Turn the steering wheel fully to the left, then fully to the right. This allows the system to recalibrate the steering angle sensors and detect the full range of motion. Step 3. Center the steering wheel, then turn the ignition completely off for 10 seconds. This allows the system to save the calibration data and reset its memory. Step 4. Restart the engine and check if the EPS warning light has cleared. If successful, the light should turn off and normal steering assistance should return. If the warning light persists after the reset, further troubleshooting is required. The issue may involve faulty sensors, damaged wiring, or mechanical problems that need professional diagnosis. Modern EPS systems require preventive maintenance. Calibration is now recommended every 30,000 miles, and software updates are becoming standard practice to maintain optimal performance. Remember, ignoring an EPS warning light can compromise vehicle safety by reducing steering assistance. If you're not comfortable performing these procedures yourself, always seek help from a qualified mechanic.